to Montreux today. I'm very excited. I'm going to holiday with my boyfriend, with his mum, his brother's girlfriend. And yes, I'm very excited. We will staying in a hotel. It's 8:15. I will take you along. We will staying 3 nights there. I'm very, very excited. We're in Yverdon, and now we have to change train into an S-Bahn. We made it! It is so beautiful here. Like you saw the shots I made before, it's amazing. The weather is so good. Like we have 25 degrees. It's just really nice. We're heading to the hotel. We have to walk up the hill. Yeah. A little room tour. Here is our room. Very nice. And then here is the bathroom with the shower. There's a toilet. We're heading to the city and now we're walking to a nice restaurant to eat something because we're very, very hungry. Yes, so we're heading now to the castle of Chillon. Yes, we're walking there and I will take you with me. There is the castle we want to go. I cannot believe how beautiful it is. I'm just saying it all the time. I'm just appreciating the sun and the view and just to be able to be here. We're in like a huge hall where you see all like they have over 80 they found here from the 17 or 1800. It's so interesting and so nice. I went into the shower, we just chilled a little bit and now we are heading off. We haven't decided yet for a restaurant, but we will soon. I think we're already late. We ate something. It was amazing. Now I'm completely smashed. I'm so tired. We're going to bed now, just making myself bed ready. See you tomorrow. Good morning in the morning. Not really morning, it's 11 o'clock. We ate breakfast, made ourselves ready. So ready for the day today, because we're heading to the train, going up the mountain like to Château-d'Oex, to a hanging bridge again, and just, I don't know what we see there. It's just some little villages. I'm very excited. It is so beautiful. It's such a little cute, like, just town in the old style, or like in the old, like, typical Bern little village. Our plan is now just to walk through the village and then go into the supermarket, buy something, and having lunch at the hanging bridge. And there is a little waterfall. Yeah. Wobbly, really freaking wobbly. Okay, now we're looking for a place to eat. We're heading to another little town. We just walked all the way up and now on the lookout for a bridge to cross the river. In the hotel now, heading now to the hotel room to get a shower, like a cold shower, and relax a little bit.